Hello, team. This is Zoe Clarke, Customer Training Specialist at RosterElf. Today we're going to reset forgotten passwords and resend first-time login details so every staff member can get back into RosterElf without a hitch. How to reset a staff member's password. Click the Staff tab on your RosterElf dashboard. Select the employee whose password needs to be reset. Click Reset Password and a fresh password will arrive in their email inbox instantly. How to resend login information for new users. Open the Staff tab and choose the employee who has never logged in. Click Resend Login Info to trigger the original welcome email. That message includes their temporary password and download links for the RosterElf app. Thanks for watching. If you need a hand, our support crew is online 7 days a week. Happy rostering!